In this video, we will see how to use average function for rows and columns. For in this sample, we have the profit for items during 4 quarters. Let's say we need to calculate the average of profit during quarter 1. So we click here on the cell C9. Then from here, from function, I click on average. It will select automatically from C3 to C8. If we need to change the range, we can use the mouse to change the range. Here I need to calculate the average from C3 to C8, so I select the range and click on enter. To apply the average to the other columns, I can click on the click and drag to autofill to other columns. Same for rows. Here if I need to calculate the average of profit for laptops, I click on this cell, then from functions, average, and from C3 to F3 and click on enter. To use, then I will use the autofill to fill it to other rows. To calculate the average for all items and quarters, I will select here, I click on average, and I will select from C3 to F8. Like this, I calculate the average for all items. Thank you.